everyone, and welcome to another review. Today we have the Emerald 2 peak horsepower vacuum, car vacuum from Amazon. I purchased this unit for $49.99, and today I want to do a quick review and show you a little bit about this machine, how it functions, all the attachments, etc. And it comes with 4 different attachments. This little attachment here with the little brush. It comes with a skinny one to get into all the corners and stuff. Then it comes with this big one. This is pretty much, I guess, to do most of the vacuuming, and then the brush. That's pretty much it. The whole entire unit is made of plastic. Even this here, even though it looks metal, it is plastic. It's just painted silver. It's a good size, very practical, very light compared to other vacuums. So let's go ahead and put it to the test, see how it works, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, let's go ahead and connect this. The cord is probably about 5 feet long. I think we're probably going to use this attachment. Let's give it a shot. Alrighty, so here's what we got. It's just a bunch of dirt and stuff. Definitely a good amount of suction. Alright, now let's go ahead and switch this tip. I'm going to get the skinnier one. Alright, let's use this one. Alright, so I just gotta say right off the top, this little piece right here is definitely the finishing touch. So you want to use the bigger piece. You want to use this to start and get all the overall space of the carpet, and then finish up all the tight areas with this. Grade 2, it actually has more suction with this piece than with this bigger piece. As you can see, I'm gonna try to put it before and after. That's how they look, and that was less than 5 minutes it took me to do that. So my final conclusion on this product of the Amaro 2 horsepower car vacuum is yes, it's well worth the money for the price. Like I said, I paid $49.99 on Amazon. Great purchase. I am happy with it, and I highly suggest buying one. I'm not sponsored by Amazon or Amaro. I just like to make videos and reviewing stuff that actually work. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.